Hey guys, and welcome to this video. 6 minus 2 times 8 minus 6 in parentheses. So 6 minus 2 gives us 4, and see 8 minus 6 gives us 2. Now 2 times 4 gives us 8. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So, according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So, 8 minus 6 gives us 2. Now, let's rewrite the expression. 6 minus 2 times 2. Now, as we know, multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction, so we have to solve this multiplication first. Now, 2 times 2 gives us 4. Now, we have 6 minus 4. That this expression is equals to 2. The final answer is 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.